Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on clutch replacement and temperature sensor installation. Today, we will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have the necessary knowledge and tools to tackle this job effectively. First, let's gather the tools you will need. 1. A socket set with a ratchet and extensions. 2. A torque wrench to ensure proper tightness of bolts. 3. A screwdriver set for various screws. 4. Pliers and wire cutters. 5. A clean shop rag for any spills or cleaning tasks. 6. A jack and jack stands for safely lifting your vehicle. Now, let's begin with the first step, removing the old clutch. Start by disconnecting the battery to ensure safety. Next, use your jack to lift the vehicle and secure it with jack stands. This will give you access to the undercarriage. Once the vehicle is elevated, locate the transmission and remove any components blocking access to the clutch assembly. This often includes the drive shaft and any protective covers. Remember to keep track of all screws and bolts during this process. It's helpful to label them or place them in a small container. With everything cleared away, you can now access the clutch. Remove the pressure plate by unscrewing the bolts in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping. If you encounter difficulty, a bit of penetrating oil can help loosen stuck bolts. After removing the pressure plate, take out the clutch disc. Inspect the flywheel for any damage or excessive wear. If necessary, clean it with a shop rag to remove any debris. This is crucial for ensuring proper contact with the new clutch disc. Now, let's prepare to install the new clutch. Position the new clutch disc on the flywheel and align it using a clutch alignment tool. Once aligned, place the pressure plate over the clutch disc and hand tighten the bolts before using your torque wrench to secure them to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, we will move on to the temperature sensor installation. Locate the sensor, typically near the engine block or radiator. Disconnect the wiring harness and remove the sensor using the appropriate socket. Before installing the new sensor, clean the area around the mounting hole to prevent debris from entering the system. Apply a small amount of thread sealant to the sensor threads, then carefully screw it into place. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. At this stage, if you find yourself overwhelmed or lacking the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, making your repair experience seamless. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair to ensure transparency in pricing. Once the new sensor is installed, double-check all connections. Lower the vehicle and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and monitor the dashboard for any warning lights. This step is crucial to ensure everything is functioning correctly. In conclusion, you have successfully replaced your clutch and installed a new temperature sensor. Regular maintenance like this can significantly enhance your vehicle's performance and longevity. Thank you for following along, and happy repairing. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.